Alright, easy barbecue. Alright, so you got this, you got your probe, you stick in your meat, and that goes into this. Then you got your app on your phone. But yeah, you got that, and plugs into here, like such. Alright, so we got the meat on the grill. Since this meat's so big, I'm dual probing it. Alright. You want to get it right about in the middle. Let's say about like that. Alright, and so you got your readout here. Switch to my camera and show you the smartphone app. Alright, and here is the app, and it shows you the two probes and what the temperature currently is in the probe temperature reading, I should say. You can set a timer. And then this, the beef. That's what I want, rare beef. You can set it medium rare, well done, preset, there we go. And then this one, yep. Alright, so they're both set to beef now, and I need to flip them in about maybe 4 minutes. So there we go. Alright, so my alarm just went off for the timer, and it's currently at 91 degrees and 113 degrees. So we'll go out here. And give her a flipper. You do need a glove, really, for these things. And I need a new camera that's got a light on it, like my phone. Yeah, we're probing the meat. There we go. Alright, we flipped it, put the probes back in. It's already giving me the notification that yeah. That's why I put two probes in, because you got one reading 142 and one at 115. Rare is considered 133. I want a little bit more than rare, so leave it a few more minutes. Alright, so we got one probe at 163 and one at 140. So it's done. Here's the meat. I forgot to film it after I brought it in, but this is after dinner. Perfect, pretty much medium rare. Yeah, cooked perfect. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.